I am Dr. J.R. Mehta, and today I am introducing a novel device to you. You may call it an air conditioner, but this air conditioner works without using any environment damaging refrigerants. You might want to call it an air cooler, but this air cooler does not add any humidity into air. It gives you pure cool air. The fan in this device takes in fresh air from outside, and the air is cooled with the help of cool water. And how is the water cooled? The water is cooled in a natural way, the way the water gets cooled in your earthen pot or matka. Thus, this is the most environment friendly way of producing cooling. And as it can be read from this instrument, the outside temperature is currently 36 degrees Celsius, which is reduced to 27 degrees Celsius. The air is thus supplied at 27 degrees Celsius in the room, a temperature drop of around 9 degrees. When the ambient conditions are more favorable, even 12 degrees Celsius temperature drop can also be achieved. Curious about the cost and power consumption of this device? Well, the cost can be almost one third of an air conditioner, and even the power consumption can be around one third of an air conditioner. Thank you for watching.